Hi Shelley, hi Nigel. It's a video just to do an update on the changes since we last reported on the um, on the positions for SEO. Um, all in all, things look pretty good, which isn't unusual that there'll be a delay in some of the rankings because obviously work we've done a couple of months ago, there's still a sort of resonance to it that carries on. Um, so I've been through, as you can see here, this is the last report, and this column C here. I'm pretty sure you got access to this sheet. The on the column D is the current rankings. So as you can see, we've jumped up a few page ones here um, from page threes. The retail graphics has gone. There's less listings, but that's quite common. I think when Google is sort of reconfiguring or recrawling and trying to place things, and it often has a number of pages, and then it will whittle it down to two, and sometimes back down to one. So that's not unusual from what I see. Um, so yeah, I think there's some decent stuff here. There's some new position ones on taxi wraps from 2 to 1. We've got retail hoardings from 3 to 1. We have had some drops, but nothing that can't be taken care of. And in the same way, sometimes when Google there is that delay, there is also the negative that happens. Sometimes it ranks it high and then reconfigures and actually drops it down. So we call it a Google dance. It tends to do this, but on the whole, where everything is up, which is good news really, considering you semi expect things to, a bit of a catch up to be going on. So that's on the existing keywords. I've added one more in here, printed hoardings. I think that should be hoardings actually. So also though, I have then looked at the other things that we're ranking for. So in the existing up there's four new four new page ones for the above. I'll take that above out. So four new page ones, two new position ones, 9 have maintained, 4 minor drops, and 3 significant drops. The significant drops on window graphics, which wasn't ranking very high anyway, it was only page 3. The other one was fleet livery from 7 to 14, and vehicle livery from 6 to 11. But everything else has either maintained or gone up, and often, pretty significantly, really. But what I think is also interesting to point out that I'll quickly put this together. We'll put this into this sheet properly as we go forward. There's 12 new page ones for things that we haven't been tracking before, and quite good ones as well. Large format digital printers with a volume of 70, now at number 1. So in addition to this, there's two more position ones of brand new ones. Position 2, digital wall printing. Building site hoardings, position 4. Large format digital printing, position 3. Hoardings, spelt wrong, but you have to take into account hoardings, still got a volume on it, 8. Site graphics, position 9. Construction site hoarding, position 7. And then I've highlighted these ones in bright green because I think they're such high volumes that they may be worth diverting our attention to, even just to have a discussion around. Hoardings, we're in position 7, which has 14,800 hits. I appreciate that's not necessarily going to be all your target customers, but when it's such a large volume, there could be some scope in pushing that and trying to get up to the top of the page. Site hoardings is bottom of page 1. Digital print UK, 390, position 5. Digital printers UK, 390, position 7. And then on some reasonably healthy other traffic levels here, we're lingering around page 2 for things like construction site hoarding, digital wallpaper, printers in Chatham, retail windows, building wraps UK, construction hoarding, building site hoarding, construction, taxi media, large format printing UK, and then a few others down here, which are on page 3. Large format printers London, building advertising, taxi advertising London. So yeah, I think all in all it's positive. The gains in total in positions 133, drops 51. the vast majority of that drop is from this one here, this window graphics, which takes 33 of that. So really, what I would say a more measured or accurate approach to that would be more like 20 in the drops. And if we took out the sort of Fomex board, which has gone from page 7 to 11, then yeah, we're looking at about, I'd say about 80 gains and about 20 drops. So still a good ratio. So as a summary, the result over the past couple of months has been gains, really, I would say, with new synonyms coming through mainly, I would say, and a few couple of other sort of core areas, large format digital printers, which is obviously a good, very good one to rank for nationally. I think that should cover it. I will give us a call or let me know on email if you want any more info, and we'll chat soon. Thanks.